Hi guys, it's Mark Paul here, and I want to tell you about Progeny. Now, I've never really been a fan of propolis mentalism. I've always thought that a lot of the techniques are a little bit convoluted, maybe even a little bit contrived, and they tend to be long. You know, it tends to be a bit more of a sort of conversation. That is until now, because yesterday, Radoslav showed me Progeny, which is from Fraser Parker. Now, Fraser thinks that this is his finest work, and I have to agree. I really think this is probably the most direct piece of propolis mentalism that I have ever seen. It really is incredibly direct. Two questions are asked of the spectator. And they're sort of incidental questions. They're not related directly to maybe the categories that you're thinking about. And when they give you the answers to those two questions, it gives you all the information you need to know pretty much exactly what they're thinking about. Now, there are multiple categories that you can do this with. Yesterday, Radoslav showed me a sort of tour around a zoo, so I could think of any sort of animal that I would see in a zoo, and he told me what I was thinking. You could also do it, he also did it with countries as well, so I imagined I was going on holiday to a destination, and he told me the destination. Totally propolis, nothing written down. Really, this is excellent. If you're into propolis mentalism, you're going to love it anyway. But if you're one of those people like me who's always been a little bit sort of wary of it, then this is going to convert you. This is Progeny by Fraser Parker, and it probably is the finest piece of propolis mentalism that I've seen.